Okay, Daikin applied PTAC unit. I'm going to show you how to fix number 9 error code with the system. Okay, so we have a Daikin applied PTAC unit. Here, as you see, the light is flashing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so we got 9 flash, right? 9 flash. So how to fix the 9 flash? It is an Aquastat issue. Aquastat issue. The orange and the blue wire is for the Aquastat. So the reason why we having that 9 flash and to prevent the AC from running is because this Aquastat right here is dead. Okay. Hold this to me. I'm gonna hold this like that. So we got the orange and the blue wires. There's still power here. So we're gonna do a continuity test on the Aquastat. I'm gonna touch both wires. So we touch both wires. We're supposed to have a beeping sound like that, but we're not getting a beeping sound. That's mean the Aquastat is dead. So if once we have these two wires, the blue and the orange wire, and you put them together, see the error code there is still flashing, and we're gonna put these two wires together, okay? And that should correct the code.
You have a 1 flash and 1 level.
So that's the wire. So here it is. We jumped the wire. I need a wire nut. If you look in my bag next door, I'll bring me a wire nut. So here it is. We once you connect the blue and the orange wire, it will stop the error code. And now we're gonna turn on the unit, and compressor should come back on. Cooling. Okay, there the compressor is on. So to fix a Daikin applied PTAC unit error code number 9. Number 9 is for the Aquastat, and you can so the reason for that is because the Aquastat is open. The Aquastat, especially for a steam unit, the Aquastat is what turn on the fan when in a heating mode. So the Aquastat is open. If the Aquastat is open, it's not going to turn the fan on. All right, so that's how you fix it.